Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I share how to make this super fluffy jelly donut. So keep watching, let's begin. First you're going to measure out your bread flour. You can also use all-purpose flour. Add your sugar, yeast and salt, and then you're going to sift this to get rid of any lumps that may be in there. Next add your butter or margarine, add some powdered milk, egg yolks and water. The water should be warm. Then you're going to knead this until it becomes stretchy. This took around 7 to 10 minutes to achieve this. You can also use your hands to do this on your work surface area. It will just take a longer time. So about 10 minutes later, you're going to lightly flour your hand, get the dough out of the pan and see how stretchy it is. Next, you want to transfer to your work surface area. I just added a bit of oil so it doesn't stick, and then put the dough together. Now you're going to cut them into small pieces. I cut this into 12. Then for accuracy, I went ahead to weigh each of them out so that they are all the same size. Now you want to roll them out individually just like this. Dip the bottom area in some flour, place on your parchment paper and then on the tray. You're going to cover this up and let it rest for an hour until it doubles in size. Now 5 minutes before you fry, you want to open it up, heat up your oil and fry until they are golden brown. Now you want to fry on medium-low heat. You don't want it to brown outside while inside is still raw. Once you're sure everything is ready, scoop it out and your donut is ready. Now if you want sugar on top of it, go ahead and sprinkle some sugar on it while it's still hot. Now to make the strawberry jam, you're going to add some chopped strawberry in your pot, add some lemon zest and some lemon juice, some sugar as well, and continue to stir until it is reduced. Now when it starts to foam, you want to scoop out the foamy things like I'm doing now, and then continue to do this on medium-low heat. Smash it up like so if you want it smooth. You can also use a hand blender to achieve this. Alright, so once it is well reduced, you're going to let it cool down completely before you transfer into a piping bag. Poke holes in the donut just like this so you can easily pipe the strawberry jam into it. So our jelly donut is ready. Look at that, delicious. I hope you try this out. Enjoy it when you do. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.